What's up everybody, I'm Brian from iWantTesla, and today we're going to install these lights in my Frunk. And it's really easy. It's pretty much like this. How cool is this? Only took me a few minutes to do this. Really easy to use, and it has an app for it. I mean, you got to get one of these things. Well, maybe not exactly that easy, but all you have to do is you pop this off, and of course your Frunk probably won't be full of all this stuff, but all you're doing is splicing. Or not, you're not even splicing, you're disconnecting this wire and connecting it to here and then taking and putting it there. So really all we're doing is jumping this wire. That still works. And we're going to feed this underneath this lip all the way around. I suggest doing it from the start here, that way the wire can go straight up into here. We go loop all the way around and back to here again. And then there's an app to control the color. You can make it go to music, you can go to voice, you can do a bunch of stuff with it. I'll show you that at the end. But I'm going to install this right now. Should only take a couple minutes. So I want to thank today's sponsor of this video, and it is Simply Carbon. Simply Carbon Fiber makes awesome carbon fiber parts. As you guys know, I love carbon fiber. I'm doing a ton of carbon fiber work to my car. And Simply Carbon Fiber reached out to me and they sent out this really cool wallet. You know there's other wallets out there that can be carbon fiber, but this is 100% carbon fiber. The quality of this carbon is amazing. This is a 100% carbon fiber. You have a money clip as well. I have $1 in there. I usually don't have much on me, but you don't have to have anything in there. You can use this at hotels just to slide in your card for your room key, and you can fit a ton of stuff in this. It's super easy to slide things in and out. Whether you're going to Costco, you don't have to pull the whole card out. There is a little cutout here where you can push and pull your cards out. You can fan them out however you want, and they're still protected inside. They're not going to fall out, but the wallet is still very minimal. It's just as big as a credit card, but the carbon fiber quality is superior to anything I've ever seen in a wallet. So, unbelievable. Thanks again to Simply Carbon for sponsoring this video. There's a link down below where you can save some money and help support the channel. Again, Simply Carbon. Thanks for sponsoring. All right, so honestly, that was only 4 minutes to do that, and I had some obstacles to go around like you probably won't. So my controller for my air ride system is right here, and it's really tight there. And then also this line right here gave me a little bit of trouble. But now, as you can see, we've got a little bit extra here, and it's like any light, you can cut it at certain spots. Or you don't have to cut it if you don't want to, but if you flip this over, you can see little dashes. And those are the cut lines, so you can cut these and then take the cap off here and then reattach that cap onto where you cut it so it's nice and flush right here. We'll tuck the wires underneath and put the cap back on, and it's all done. It's really that easy. It's honestly really that easy to do. So really, you download the app. There's a QR code right on the receiver. You download the app, and mine just logged in automatically. It was instant. I didn't have to do much to it. Now I have another was set up for the Model S Plaid over there. I don't know if you've seen that color yet, but I rewrapped the car. Do that Frunk as well, and then turn the lights off and show you what this thing can do. All right, so now that the Frunk is closed, I'm going to open the Frunk and the lights will turn on. So now this adds a really cool look to my Frunk. And then while you have this open and the lights on, you can adjust the lighting to make sure you don't see the actual strip, you just see a glow of everything. So you just tuck it underneath there, and it's really... It really adds a cool touch to your car, especially at night if you go to car shows. The cool thing is this comes with an app. So right here, I can change the color. I have a bunch of presets here, or you can just change the classic ones. But the cool part is you can do different styles. So if you want the 7-color change, it will just change for you. Or you can just be a purple. You can have it go to music or your voice, and this little gradient here, it'll just change and fade. Could be really nice if you're on the side of the road. And I think it'll strobe as well. Yeah, strobe red. So if you're on the side of the road, it can flash for you, and this could be a nice way of signaling to people. So really cool how you can just pick what you want and it stays there. So I'm gonna go with a green because my car is green, and then I can also fade that to whatever color I want. I can change it with a scroll wheel to really match the car. I'm definitely gonna have to do that with the Model S over there. But let's go with a, oh, you can pick a color as well. So let's go with, try to find this mint green. It's kind of whitish. That might be kind of cool right there. Now let's put this in the plaid Model S as well. So I have two of these, one in my car and one in this car. Let's see if I can control this one. And I can. I can control it. I don't have to do much of anything just to get right in this. So if you're just looking for something a little bit brighter that you want to get in and see your frunk, this is perfect for you. But let's see what it's like with the lights off in the garage. Now it is daytime, it's almost lunch, but you can still see that you're able to see a little bit more than what you could than if it was off. This little light isn't very bright, but now you get a nice bright light and that you can customize. This car is done. So a very cool, quick way to change the look of your frunk, whether it doesn't matter which model you have. Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y, they all work with that. Super easy to install. There's no splicing of wires or anything. You just plug and play, tuck it underneath, and you're good to go. You're really good to go because it's super easy to do. I've done some crazy modifications in my cars, but this is probably one of the easiest ones I've done. They're from Hansshow. There's a link down below. Save some money. Take a look at these and get a bunch of other stuff while you're there. They have a lot of cool stuff for any Tesla. They do anything. They even make a power frunk for this. I'm installing that next.